head, top, neck, nipple. That is for the lines. These ones are the heads, which we explained earlier. But these are for the lines. The top of the head, the neck, the nipple, the waist, the hip, the index finger or the longest one there, the knee, the calf, the ankle, and then where the shoe is or the sole of the feet. Okay, so 8 heads versus 9 heads. You can make something like this and keep close by to study so that it will help you to understand when we are doing the rest of the drawing, because we may not be drawing these circles. After sometimes we start drawing by ourselves without the circles. Okay, so follow us as we continue. First head to the 9th head. So we are going to start with the 8 heads, so you see how it works, and then we go over to the 9 heads. The rest of the drawings will be based on 9 heads. Okay, this is just standard, but because we are doing fashion illustration, we need to use the 9 heads. Okay, first and foremost, try to bring out a head. From the first head there and the neck, roll the shoulder over your guidelines. You see, I drew a small circle here to indicate where the bust will be. The nipple should be somewhere there. Now you can decide to place the nipple on this line. Different ladies, different bust size, so you can put the nipple anywhere. Important thing is that you know where the nipple falls, and then the armhole links to the bust. Whenever you finish getting your lines, you remove all the ones you don't want with your eraser. Any one that is not relevant, you remove them with your eraser. Now the next thing you're gonna do, you link the bust to the widest part of the waist. With a slight curve. Okay, the navel should be anywhere here, somewhere around there. And the next thing you do is you link the waist to the widest part of the hip. Alright, and then you remove the lines that are not necessary. These small circles are just guidelines. So you join the widest part of the hip to where the knee is. Remember, this is where the knee is. You can use ruler to draw a straight line if you are still not comfortable. And then here, a little bit above here, that's where we are going to put the crotch at the groin. So you remove the ones that are not nice. And then from here, you link the lap to the knee. You link the lap to the knee. And then you go on to the calf. And the same way you link the knee to the ankle, you link the knee to the ankle. And then you fix the feet there. Okay? And then the elbow, remember the elbow is somewhere here, around the waist, and the wrist, around the hip area, and then the palm. So you just shape it out there. If it's someone that is fat, you can add some flesh. So basically that is it for it. So try it out for your 8 heads and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to do mine and I will show you as soon as I'm done. That's my 9 heads. This is the front facing this way. Okay, so let's look at the side. The side, same head, bring out the neck because it's going to be facing the side, so you need to like make the face this way, and of course the nose will be somewhere there. But for now we won't be bothering our head with the head structure because we learned that one separately. So let's continue with the body. So you bring the neck out this way and then the back of the neck. From here, just bring out the front of the neck and the back of the neck, and then the socket of the shoulder, because it's facing. Remember where the elbow is. Always remember where your elbow is. So we are going there. Alright? Okay. This is where the bust point is. So you decide how you want your breast to be. Whether this is the nipple can be anywhere, but remember it's in this region. Okay, and that is the waist. So you keep going. And this is the front of the bust. That's the knee. The knee is somewhere there. That is the knee. Okay, and then the calf. Alright. Okay, so we go to the back. This is where the waist is, and then the buttocks, and then the lap, then of course the calf. Later on I will show you how to draw the heel. Not a very difficult thing to do. Okay, so Okay, now in the back, the same way, bring out the neck, we bring out the neck. Now, because we are drawing the back, this will go up to indicate that they are drawing the back. If it is the front, it goes in here. But if it is the back, we take it up. Alright? So you continue with the shoulder. Continue with the shoulder. Whatever you do to this side, you do to this side. Make it equal and nice. And then there is no breast at the back. So you just go ahead with the waist. Okay? Same way, continue to the knee. Same way, the calf. Now, you have the buttock there. This is where your circles form. So what you do at the back is you just do that. That's what indicates that is the back. Okay? Now remember, this is where the ankle is. Always indicate the small marks there to show that the ankle is there, and then the heel is more rounded. Okay, here is the front, but the back of the leg is a little bit more rounded. More rounded. Make it more rounded. See what the back looks like, what the front looks like. Okay. At this time, you really don't need the circles and all that. But if you are still having issues, you can decide to leave the circles for guidance, for it to guide you until you are comfortable, so you can remove the circles later on. But if you are not comfortable, you can remove them, and you can leave them and work on them, then later on you remove the circles, or else just go ahead with your drawing carefully. Don't be in a haste. Carefully, don't be in a haste. Okay, so from now on we'll be using 9 heads. We'll be using 9 heads. Okay, please note the features of the back of the heel. Note the front. Note this person standing on heels. Okay. Now for the side view, you can decide to change the posture so that it doesn't look as if you're standing in one place. You can decide to change the posture. You just add the other side of the lap to it and do the same thing. So just add. Okay, so it looks as if you brought out the leg to the front. Okay. Or you just leave it straight.